What's up, Guild members? Welcome back to Solar Weep for episode 33 of Weekly Anime News. The second week of June brought a massive flood of July premiere trailers, new key visuals, and some exciting voice cast announcements. Let's dive into the headlines. Kicking off on June 6th, the Oblivious Saint Can't Contain Her Power released a new main visual and announced two additional cast members. The anime premieres on the 30th of June 2026 from studios Magic Bus and Picante Circus. That's just around the corner. On June 7th, Kaiju Girl Caramelized dropped a new main visual and trailer. It's scheduled to begin airing the 2nd of July 2026 from Leiden Films. Kaiju-sized romance incoming. June 8th was packed with announcements. Draw This Then Die released a new main trailer and revealed its ending song. It's scheduled for the 3rd of July 2026 from Shin E Animation. Horror fans, get ready. Blue Lock Neo Egoist League, that's season 3, revealed a teaser visual and character visuals from Studio 8-bit. The Egoist battle continues, and Dengeki Daisy TV anime adaptation has been announced for 2027 from Studio Deen. A classic shoujo manga finally gets its anime. June 9th delivered a wave of July updates. Though I Am an Inept Villainess released a new main trailer, additional cast, and its opening theme. It's scheduled for the 12th of July 2026 from Doga Kobo. I Want to Love You Till Your Dying Day dropped a new key visual and trailer for its the 7th of July 2026 premiere from Roll 2. Dark Fantasy, Yuri fans, this one's for you. Clevetes Season 2 released a new trailer for its the 8th of July 2026 premiere from Ladies. Shiranui, the short film from Comics Wave Films, revealed a new main poster visual. It's scheduled for the 21st of August 2026. And the new Sergeant Frog movie revealed Gundam collaboration, illustrations and previewed cameos. Keroro fans rejoice. On June 10th, the laid-off cheat-granting mage enjoys a second lease on life. Yes, that's the full title. Released a new teaser visual and trailer. It's scheduled for October 2026 from PA Works, another isekai with a twist. June 11th brought more exciting updates. Kagurabachi revealed a character visual for Chihiro Rokuhira, voiced by Taihi Kimura. The anime is scheduled for April 2027 from Studio Sypic. The hype train continues. Mebius Dust TV anime announced 6 additional voice cast members. It premieres the 9th of July 2026. I Am Dating a Dark Summoner dropped a new key visual for its October 2026 premiere from Studio Nyan Pollution Omega. And My Girlfriend's Friend revealed a new key visual and cast for its October 2026 premiere from Studio Quad. June 12th was another packed day. Iwamoto Senpai no Suizen released a new key visual and trailer for its the 4th of July 2026 premiere from Studio Deen. Bungo Stray Dogs 1 2 dropped a new main trailer for its the 2nd of July 2026 premiere. From Old Country Bumpkin to Master Swordsman released a new trailer and revealed its ending theme. It's scheduled for the 8th of July 2026 from Passion and Hayabusa Film. 2 active Mongolian sumo wrestlers have joined the voice cast of Jadugar, a Witch in Mongolia, which premieres the 4th of July 2026. That's some authentic casting. And Toho International will have a booth at Anime Expo 2026 showcasing various anime titles including My Hero Academia, Jujutsu Kaisen and Frieren. Attendees, don't miss it. Finally, wrapping up the week on June 13th, we have the last batch of announcements. Grow Up Show, Sunflower Circus, released a new main visual for its the 4th of July 2026 premiere from A1 Pictures and Sidekick Studio. Welcome to Demon School. Iruma-kun Season 4 dropped a new main visual and trailer. The season is ongoing with 24 episodes total. And Tomb Raider King Japanese dub revealed a new main visual and trailer for its the 8th of July 2026 premiere from Studio Eek. And that, Guild members, was an absolutely packed week of anime news. From Kagurabachi's first character visual and Blue Lock Season 3 teasers to a flood of July premiere trailers and authentic sumo wrestler voice acting, the summer 2026 season is shaping up to be huge. What's your top takeaway? Are you hyped for Kagurabachi, excited for Blue Lock Season 3, or planning your Anime Expo itinerary? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to stay on top of every announcement as it breaks, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your passion burning bright. This is Solar Weep signing off.